One of the most amazing things which I love to eat and also I love to cook and I like to experiment too is kebabs. Kebabs have their whole historical history coming from Persians to the Mughals and now all over the Indian grill or the Indian barbecue or kebabs is definitely one of my favorites. And the whole cooking over fire, over a grill, using these really nice marinades, tossing them with a sauce made with beautiful butter. Yes, now you know what I'm talking. We are going to be making a fantastic Tangdi Kebab with Président Butter and spices. Let's start cooking. Besides the sheikh kebabs, tandoori chickens, one particular kebab is one of my favorites, which is called the Tangdi Kebab. Now the Tangdi could apply to a whole leg of lamb, it could be duck, it could be chicken, it could be a leg of pork as well. People like to do really nice slowly cooked legs of pork over fire. But you know what? Tangdi Kebab has always been my favorite. Why? Because I think it is one of the most juiciest cut of meat from the chicken. Now, because of its nature, it does take slightly longer to cook, but I love marinating this for at least 4 to 6 hours. I'm cooking 8 drumsticks of chicken right here because you know what? I got really hungry crew. And also when I'm cooking, even at home, definitely एक या दो लोग चेप लेते, they eat it up. Also what happens when this is left over, you can do tons of things with this. Like I love to make a really nice kebab roll with this. I like to make a really nice salad with it. I like to do sandwich fillings, top of the pizza, fried rice, बहुत कुछ हो सकता है. लेकिन अभी के लिए let's start making this amazing Tangdi Kebab with President Spice Butter. Now पहले, first things first, I have some lovely hung yogurt. So I've got about half a cup of yogurt here, into which I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, okay? I also have a little bit of methi, kasuri methi, dried fenugreek, which I'm just kind of rubbing in and I'm adding it into this beautifully. Uske baad, I'm going to be adding some salt. I'm going to be adding a little bit of red chili powder. I'm going to be adding thoda sa garam masala and cumin powder. Okay, so we've got about 1.5 teaspoons of each. So let's get a little dirty. So I've got this nice mixture going on here. Okay, into which I'm going to be adding a little bit of kachi ghani ka mustard oil as well. Okay, delicious marination. Now this is just for the marination of the meat. The cooking is going to happen actually, or the finishing is actually going to happen in nothing but President Butter. Now if you've noticed, ye jo hai I've made these nice gashes over here. Why? Obviously why? You want all your marination to go completely inside. Now if you're doing something like a chicken breast, okay, or something smaller, okay, like a boneless thigh, this actually would marinate really quickly. But I'm giving minimum about 6 to 7 hours of this marination because you know what? I don't really have to cook this right now. I'm having my crew and my guests coming tonight for dinner and I'm going to be giving them this really nice Tangdi Kebab because you know all these people are like they like to drink some nice beers with it also. And also you can really enjoy it with a good glass of wine if you wish. You can have some nice beer as they would do it in Spain. Or you could just have some nice aerated beverages, fresh juices. You know, there's lots that can happen along with these tangdis, okay? So we've got all our Tangdi Kebabs marinated. I'm going to stick it into my fridge and then we're going to come and we're going to start cooking over my little grill in the kitchen, okay? You can easily bung them in the oven straight away. If you're cooking it in an oven or an air fryer, please note 180 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes are going to give you brilliant tangdis, okay? But you know, chef हूँ, Vicky Ratnani हूँ, मेरे पास घर पे थोड़ा सा ग्रिल है, थोड़ा सा ग्रिल मार्क करके फिर हम इसे पैन में मक्खन और मिर्ची और मसालों के साथ बनाएंगे. Anyway guys, I'll see you soon. Hey, I'm back 6 hours later, okay? So we're going to be literally cooking these off on the grill, not completely. We can do if you wish, but I like to do a little combination, okay? I'm going to be cooking these here, okay? If I had a nice charcoal barbecue, I would even do that, okay? But now, abhi ke liye, I'm just searing it, getting this nice smoky kind of flavor to it, and then we're going to be finishing it in a pan. Just going to flip these a little bit. Beautiful. So we've got this really nice, beautiful chicken which is happening here. We're going to be just brushing it a little bit more. Okay. We're going to give this about 5 to 10 minutes to cook till they get nicely charred. And in the meanwhile, let's start melting our butter. So this is happening here. Now on the side, we're going to be preparing our sauce, our beautiful, lovely, spiced Président Butter for our Tangdi Kebab, which are going to be cooked beautifully in this. So I'm taking out about 50 to 60 grams of butter for this recipe. So now for this we have some really nice spring onions, okay, which I'm going to be adding into the Tangdi Kebab sauce, okay. Now this is one of a recipe which has been adapted by myself, okay. You're not going to find the same exact recipe because the finishing which I will do with my Président Butter and my spring onions is another level, okay. So we've got these spring onion greens here. I'm using the entire thing because we don't believe in wasting anything in this kitchen. So we've got our chilies here, which we are again going to be splitting into two, okay. I'm using a combination of these green chilies as well as these red chilies. I'm not taking any of the seeds out because you know why? Yes, I would like it a little more spicy. We also got these lovely masalas which I'm going to be playing around with the butter. So basically it's going to be a really nice masala butter sauce for my Tangdi Kebab. So we've got our butter to be melted here, okay. So we've got this really nice butter melting in this pan. Along with this, I'm going to be adding some of these lovely spring onions, which are going to be a complete aromat, okay. Now this is a very... So we've got our spring onions. They're going to be slowly smothering along with the chilies. I'm trying to get this entire base ready so that once this chicken is done, all I need to do is put it in, add some more butter and completely finish it. Bingo. Oh yes. And now we're showing some lovely, beautiful love here, okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. So we've got a really nice butter happening here. We've got these buttery kebabs happening on the side. What more do you want? Of course we need more. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of garam masala to this. I'm going to be adding a half a teaspoon of turmeric, a little bit of red chili powder here, and we're going to be doing a bit of cumin powder here, okay. So we've got this lovely masala butter right here made with Président, and it is going to be a complete revelation. We're going to add a little more butter in this here. Beautiful. So now to finish, we have our chicken, which is going to go in to our lovely pan, okay, to complete cooking. Beautiful. Oh wow, now look at that color and look at that amazing flavor which we have here. Nice. Lovely little crispy bits happening on the top. Oh yes. So we have a little bit of, beautiful, a little bit of salt here, nicely seasoned. And to this we're going to be adding a little bit of lemon juice before we add our other lovely fresh herbs when we just finish it. So I've got a little more butter, I've got a little more lemon, I've added just a little bit of salt just to balance it out. Let's see how was our chicken. Oh, it's looking great. Now look at that, this is going to start getting a fantastic color, okay? And this is exactly what we are actually looking for. Now you could even cook these on a grill, you can cook them in the oven, but you know what, I've just charred it on my grill and I'm giving you the most incredible kebabs. They're going to be succulent because they are slowly actually braising. Okay, I would say, that's the word I was looking for. They are actually braising beautifully in this masala butter. Oh wow. Oh, delicious. It's time to give this a little turn around. Beautiful. Now you can see they're really nicely braising in this really nice masala Président Butter along with the spring onions. Wow, these are just outstanding. Now I'm thinking iske saath ek quick salady type thing going on. Yani ke little kachumbar. What do you think? I think it's a damn good idea. So very quickly, no frills and fancies, just with whatever you have at home. I've got here ek pyaz hai mere paas. So we're going to be just doing a nice, very thinly sliced onions here. Okay, very simple. Anything fresh, market mein jo bhi aapko milta hai, that goes really well. So we just nice mooli and kebab and pyaz, a fantastic thing. Abhi isko hum thoda sa beautiful. तो हमारे ये radishes हो गए हैं. Some lemon juice, a little bit of salt, and a touch of red chili powder. So literally a very classical kachumbar salad is going on, something like that. You're going to give this a nice mix. Okay, beautiful, look at it. Coming really nice and alive. So we're going to give this a mix. We're going to keep this ready. And हमारा chicken, यानी कि हमारे Tangdi Kebab, ready. Wow, look at that. So we've got our lovely tangris over here, beautiful tangris, beautifully cooked in butter, in these lovely spices, char grilled on the oven. I mean, come on guys. Now if you can see, the butter has turned into this really nice, almost like a reduction. So literally this is a nice mixed masala Président Butter reduction to go with our lovely kebabs. Beautiful. It's time to plate this up. So we put a little kachumbar here right in the middle. Beautiful. Our lovely Tangdi Kebab. Beautiful. Nice, lovely. A little bit of bell peppers, जो मेरे kitchen में पड़े थे. Okay, nicely done over here. Beautiful. Some nice fresh coriander. Beautiful. और फिर, and then look at that. This gorgeous. The icing on the cake is this lovely Président spicy masala butter going with my Tangdi Kebab. So who says, कौन कहता है कि आप आपके जो तंगड़ी कबाब में मसाला बटर नहीं डाल सकते? Yes, आपने देख लिया है ये. This is exactly how we do it, and this is exactly how we roll. Until then, enjoy the tangdis and keep watching. Do subscribe and do like.